Hi Pisces, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for November 2021. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being asked to use these oracle decks that I have here. Pisces, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would also like to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading, Pisces. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November 2021, we have the Three of Swords here. Possibly, you were dealing with heartache or there was distress here that you had to deal with. Maybe it was a challenging period. I think you may have not got what you had desired, that is why you were heartbroken. Perhaps you were also somebody who was using sharp words in relationships, that is why your relationships were in a mess. Perhaps in financial dealings also there needed to be clarity. Ideally, I think Pisces, it would have been best to keep your mouth shut or to overcome these challenging times. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that November is going to pose for Pisces worldwide is the Page of Swords. This is the energy which is asking you to cut through those obstacles. I think you are going to be contemplating about your future. Maybe you want to go out of town for higher education or for better job prospects. Nevertheless, I think there could be differences with family elders, especially with your father. Maybe you will also be a bit perturbed on account of gadgets. Nevertheless, I think Pisces, you need to be pushy with respect to your talents. Influences for this month, we have the Ten of Cups. Certainly you desire overall contentment at this time. I think deals will be finalized quickly. Positive feedback is also quite likely this month for Pisces. Definitely this is going to be a productive month, so you need to rush and finalize those deals. Other than that, Pisces, I'm also picking up that you're dealing with jealous colleagues or jealous superiors who want to put you down. Maybe they are deliberately trying to underestimate your talents, but you will prove yourself. In case you're in the leadership position, I think you will be someone who is going to be quite decisive. Possibly you will chop and change workers. Maybe you're also dealing with former employees who want to rejoin work. Other than that, Pisces, I think you should follow your inner voice. I think spiritual growth is quite likely in this month. The first 10 days of November, we have the Emperor card. This is a very dominating energy, or possibly you're someone who is quite dogmatic or overbearing. Maybe Pisces, you will benefit if you collaborate with others. Maybe you shouldn't be too high-handed when it comes to colleagues and workers, or within the family also. I think there could be quarrels. Perhaps somebody is provoking you to react here. Your health could also be a cause for concern here. Nonetheless, I think the first 10 days of November is also the time for learning. So if you want to improve on your skills or your talents, then you should do the same. Some of you could also be dealing with financial matters. Possibly, you may be thinking of taking loans in this time. In case there's a job interview lined up, I think you shouldn't have too high expectations. Work pressure is also going to mount on you. Maybe staff is going to play truant, or there are colleagues who are absent. That is why you have to take the onus. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th November, we have the High Priestess. I think communication is going to increase. Possibly you're also somebody who is going to be on the move. Basically, it's the period when it is going to be full of activity. Surprises or gains are also quite likely. So you need to network and communicate. This is also the best time if you want to bag that job offer. You should make your way for that interview. Issues in personal relationships, you may find everybody wanting you to come to their aid. Maybe the demands on your time could be too much. That is why you could be blowing hot and cold. It would be best to assist others because the universe is going to be bountiful towards you. On the legal front also, you can expect positive developments. I think you should also follow your intuition because you're being guided by the universe at this time. The final days of November, that is towards 21st to 30th November, we have the Eight of Swords. Possibly, this lady, she seems to be surrounded by swords. So it's quite likely that you could find yourself bogged down on account of devious colleagues who are around you. Maybe you feel that it's an oppressive environment that you're dealing with. Sometimes, you may also presume too much. Perhaps you shouldn't jump the gun, as what appears may not be. You will definitely benefit, or you will definitely make headway if you make concessions at work. Maybe you should use guile and impersonation to your advantage. The energy is such, I think you need to push yourself to complete the task at hand. Again, your health needs watching in this time as well. Maybe you should do some aura cleansing to get rid of the negative energy that is there around you. With respect to your love life, Pisces, I have this card signs. Possibly, the universe is sending some signs your way which you need to pay attention to rather than ignore the same. I think you're definitely going to be wooed by the opposite sex. Maybe there is going to be somebody who is going to play Cupid this month. We do have the 10 of Cups in your reading. I think you could be a bit tentative about your prospect with this person because you believe that the social differences could be too much, or there could be family opposition in future. That is why you don't want to give this relationship a chance. Incidentally, those of you already romancing, I think your lover and you will enjoy love talk this month. Definitely you are coming across as someone who is quite confident and positive. In fact, your lover will acknowledge that you have changed for the better. Sometimes, this emperor could also be quite insecure. Maybe this person also feels that you are quite beautiful and you're quite attractive. So you have your options with respect to matters of the heart. But I think you need to reassure this person that you're not going anywhere. The signs are also visible to you that this person is insecure. You should also be quite worried because black energy could affect your relationship this month. Maybe you need to steer clear of misunderstandings. In case yours is a secret romance, I think you should also be careful because the signs are around you that there's somebody who wants to blow the whistle about your secret romance. In relationships also, I think you may be dealing with a very demanding person, especially your spouse could be quite demanding. In case yours is an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you need to reach out to this person. Possibly you may be wondering whether you should do so, but then like I said, the universe is going to send you some signs and signals, so you need to pay attention or you need to follow the path given by the universe. The last card in this reading, or to wrap up this reading, we have this card, Rainstorm Melancholy. I think a tinge of sadness is there in November which you need to overcome. Even if you bag that job, you may feel that it's not up to your liking, or maybe you will find yourself in distress over certain decisions made by family members or even your colleagues. The dark clouds will pass and there'll be light at the end of the tunnel. Possibly, this challenging period is also going to prepare you for sunny days ahead. I hope, Pisces, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.